You don't get faked out trading breakouts because breakouts are bad. You get faked out trading breakouts because you don't know how to trade breakouts. So in the next 60 seconds, I'm going to change your trading forever and teach you how to trade breakouts just like this. The real reason why you get faked out is because you don't have proper confluence. You don't know what makes a breakout a good breakout. So what you have to understand is what happens before the breakout is more important than that breakout itself. So if you're looking at both of these options here, 1 and 2, which one of these breakouts is the higher quality setup? Well, if you said number 1, you are absolutely correct, and here's why. The longer price trades in a price range, the more volume we have in this price range, building a base here beneath that breakout level. And this gives the market something to build off of on the breakout. For example, this massive trade that I had back last week on BNAI right here at market open, this thing could not have been any more perfect. Now, what I realized here is we have this lower high going into market open, which means I know I've got to break to the upside. But the question you always have to ask yourself when you're trading a breakout is, am I liquidity or is somebody else? And where most people will go wrong is they'll take a break of the wedge right here as soon as it breaks out rather than waiting for confirmation. Now, where price made this big move to the upside, then consolidated and reversed back to the downside, this becomes an area of liquidity or supply. So in order for this to be a quality breakout setup, I first got to get over the break of that previous high, which would get me out of this past area of supply. So if I got the break here over $1.90, I then want to see price pull back into this past area of liquidity and confirm. And so in the case here of BNAI, it breaks out in a big way, pulls back into that past area of supply, which is now demand as price pulls back to confirm. And then the rest is history and you just manage to trade on the way up. But see, all of this consolidation at the high of day here and the previous high here creates volume in these price ranges, which gives the market something to build off of on that breakout, preventing fake outs. And that's exactly how I caught this perfect breakout setup just last week on BNAI using this exact strategy that we just broke down. So to sum it all up, confluence is everything.